Hey YouTube, Chosen 7x7 here with another tasty treat. Today I have the Surefire Delta Folding Combat/Utility Knife. I'm sure some of you are aware of the Surefire brand flashlights they have out now. Well, they also have a few knives. This one is a full titanium scaled S35V blade. It's referred to as a combat/utility knife. Framelock, very sweet. The blade's only about 3.3 inches long, and it's a beautiful blade. And the overall length is roughly 8 inches. It has various other components to this knife. As you see here at the bottom of the choke, which also acts like a flipper, is also a flathead screwdriver. It can serve as a flathead screwdriver. You have a belt cutter here, or a cord cutter here, which actually has an independent blade that is totally separate from the knife blade itself. A paper clip styled pocket clip, very functional. In addition, this area here is used for nuts and bolts. Various size nuts can fit in this area here, starting here all the way down. These are hex head nuts, I'm sorry. And it has a couple of other different things that it will do. I don't want to go into all of the details of what this so-called multi-tool function knife can do. However, for the price, I frankly feel it's overpriced. It retails for, I'm going to show you a list price on this from Amazon.com to give you an idea of what we're talking about. Amazon has this knife, listed at $445. Very same knife. Very same knife. No, I did not pay $455. This is a second hand or a third. I believe it's only second hand. And it's, as you can see, it's in very excellent condition. And I paid nowhere near $455 for it. And I believe that anyone that tried to sell it for that amount would be pretty hard pressed. At any rate, it's a very beautiful knife, the Surefire Delta, Chosen 7x7. Peace.